I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites and initiating the update immediately. Make sure the switch has a stable Wi-Fi connection and latest system firmware. This avoids compatibility gaps. Charge each Joy-Con or the Pro controller above 50% or plug them into USB so power won't interrupt the process. Once done, navigate to Controllers Update Controllers. Start that action now. You're doing this to let the console transfer and install controller firmware safely, so don't close menus until the progress completes. You'll follow the specific update flow in Settings to apply firmware. In System Settings, select Controllers and Sensors, then Update Controllers. You'll see prompts asking you to keep devices connected. Make sure you do not press the sync button or remove a controller. That would interrupt the firmware flash. Once the update starts, monitor the progress bars for each device. Updates can take several minutes per controller depending on size. This ensures the controllers receive stability and feature patches from Nintendo. You'll finish by validating success and testing controls immediately. After the console reports update complete, use Controllers and Sensors, calibrate control sticks and test buttons to confirm responsiveness. If an update fails, reboot the switch, reconnect controllers via USB or reattach Joy-Cons, then retry the update. Many failures clear with a fresh restart. If problems persist, try the controllers on a different console or contact Nintendo support. That helps isolate hardware from.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.